our convection oven. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 23.5 inches, a depth of 21 inches, and a height of 23 inches tall. Coming to the front bottom are your two separate temperature adjustment knobs. And coming to the inside, included will be 4 shelves. Each shelf will include 12.5 inches in depth by 17.25 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 4 shelves, and this film, this protecting layer, can be peeled off. Overall height of the interior itself, we have 14.5 inches tall. And included will be the tutorial manual and instructions to operate this convection oven. Coming to the back of the oven will be the 110-120 voltage plug, and on the side will be the specifications and schematics for this convection oven. Certification will also be located on the sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.